Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Education. Today I am going to teach you some perching birds name. So please like, share and subscribe my channel children. Let's begin with robin, sparrow, pigeon, American robin, black-capped chickadee, crow, dark-eyed junco, American crow, eastern kingbird, tyranny, finches, tyrant flycatchers, thrush, tits, swallows, bulbul, bluebirds, lark, motachilidae, starling, shrike, cardinal, wren, jaybirds, tanagers, warblers, wagtails, grackles, cowbird, ovenbird, weavers, manna, blue jay. That's all for today children. Thank you.